Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 22nd. This is my analysis for gold, and I'm on the 4-hour time frame. So on gold, we did get that break up on the 4-hour time frame, so it seems to me like we are going to end up making an uptrend for a wave C, which more than likely will take out the higher wave A if that's the case. So hopefully we're in a wave 2 right now, hopefully getting ready to start a wave 3 to the upside for this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. Now that we had this next leg down, it actually looks even more likely that it is going to go up because it looks like impulsive down, corrective up, impulsive down. Hopefully, this is the three-wave pullback that we are looking for the last impulsive 5 waves up. So the 5 waves up would hopefully be a wave one. This would be a three-wave pullback for wave two, and hopefully we're going to either respect the 61% or maybe go down to the 78% and then start a big wave three to the upside today. Hopefully, around the news later on, maybe the Powell speech or something like that. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.